Today I thought of talking about warranty of a medical equipment or ultrasound machine. You have to be very careful when you take an extended warranty whether it is documented properly. There is a manufacturer is there is a supplier is there is a franchisee is there. So you need to find it out who guarantee you that the warranty is available with the machine. So please see to that you check the certificate, what kind of certificate they give before you commit for the supply of the equipment. The warranty class, nowadays people use it in a different way, like the products are not manufactured by us, the product is not supplied by us. You have to be very careful what is the class they are having it, what kind of terminology they use it. So there are somewhere I heard that there are people are clubbing with the insurance also extended for the extended warranty. So you have to know what exactly the warranty talks about. If you want to know more about the information for the medical equipments, ultrasound equipments, do call me 9847069684. Thank you very much.